Welcome to Regal Achievers Educational Limited, presenting Royal Tutor, trusted for brain-friendly and high-impact learning. This is an overview of the Gcse topic, ecology. Welcome back. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of ecology. At Regal Achievers, we believe in making complex topics simple and impactful. Let's explore how living things interact with their environment. So, what exactly is ecology? It's the scientific study of the interactions between organisms and their environment. To understand it, we look at different levels: the habitat where an organism lives, the population of a single species, the community of different species, and finally, the entire ecosystem where living things interact with their physical surroundings. Every ecosystem is made up of two main parts. Biotic factors are the living components like plants, animals, and even tiny bacteria. Abiotic factors are the non-living parts that shape the environment, such as sunlight, temperature, water, and soil. Both work together to maintain a healthy balance. Energy is the fuel of life, and it flows through ecosystems in food chains. It all starts with producers like plants, which get energy from the sun. This energy is then passed on to primary consumers like rabbits, then to secondary consumers like foxes, and finally to top predators. In reality, feeding relationships are often more complex, forming food webs. A food web shows how different food chains are interconnected. This complexity is vital because it means if one species is affected, others can often find alternative food sources, keeping the ecosystem stable. Nature is the ultimate recycler. The carbon cycle is a perfect example. Plants take in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. When animals eat plants and breathe, they release carbon back. Combustion and decomposition also play key roles in moving carbon between the Earth and the atmosphere. Biodiversity is the variety of all living things on our planet. High biodiversity is crucial for healthy ecosystems that provide us with food, medicine, and clean air. However, human activities like deforestation and pollution are putting this variety at risk. It's up to us to protect our natural world. Let's test your knowledge with a Gcse practice question. What is the definition of a community? Is it two or more species in their environment? The interaction between organisms and their environment? All organisms of the same species? Or two or more populations of organisms? The correct answer is D. A community consists of two or more populations of different species living together. Here's another one. Which of these processes from the carbon cycle releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere? Is it combustion, photosynthesis, respiration, or transpiration? Remember, you need to pick two. The answers are A, combustion, and C, respiration. Both release carbon back into the air. Thank you for joining us today for this overview of Gcse ecology. We hope this has been a high-impact learning experience. For more brain-friendly tutoring and resources, stay tuned to Regal Achievers Educational Limited. Your journey to